Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't met me yet, I'm Taylor and I'm super excited because we've got a baby coming. So I tried to record this video last Saturday, but I had some challenges with my visual. It was not looking the way I wanted it to look, so I'm re-recording it for you all. Oh my gosh, I just realized too, I don't have my microphone set up, so hopefully you can hear me well with this recording. So today I'm going to be talking about what's in my hospital bag. I hit 36 weeks on Wednesday, so baby's almost here. So we've been thinking a lot about what we're going to put in our hospital bag, what we need to bring, what's absolutely necessary and what's not. It's been about 2.5 years since we've done this. So last go around, we had to just throw everything in a bag the night before we were scheduled for our induction because it was a very last minute induction. So this time around, we've got a little bit more time on our hands and we're actually planning. So I asked a few folks over on my favorite social platform, mostly, not sure, Instagram, y'all been tripping lately. But I did ask a few friends for some help with ideas, and I made a little list and I have my luggage here. So we actually purchased some of the items that were on that list. So I'll just read them off and tell you some things that you might want to have in your hospital bag as you're planning for baby's arrival. The first thing is a robe. So I got a couple different robes. One that I got was a mommy and baby matching set. So cute. It came with a baby. I'm not going to show you everything in my bag, but I can tag some of the items that I got, but it came with a little baby gown with the actual hat. So this is the for pictures, it's going to be really cute to have the baby in a cute little outfit with the hat. And then the robe matches. And I thought this was a really cute little set. The robe's very comfortable, a stretchy fabric. So like I said, I'll link everything down below if you want to take a look, but I loved this floral pattern. So you definitely want to have a robe. I also, funny enough, these are right next to each other. I also got a standard robe that's not for matching with baby, just for mama. And it says mama on it, which I thought was really cute, embroidered on there. And it's really good quality so far, at least from what I can tell. We'll see once I wash it after we wear it. The other thing that you're going to need are PJs. I will show you these PJs because I was happy to be able to find them, and someone on my Instagram actually recommended that you get PJs that have easy access for nursing. So I got these. You see on the side, it's for pregnant women who are expecting. And then pretend I'm wearing it. Right through here, there's an area to have that easy access when you're nursing at the hospital if you decide to nurse. And then these are shorts. I got shorts because it's August here. So yeah. I want to have slippers. So I got these really cute fluffy slippers. Last time I actually decided to get, actually we didn't get anything. We were last minute. I'm pointing over here because John's there. He's my cameraman today for the second time in a row. But these slippers were cute. And instead of just wearing some busted old flip-flops, got some special slippers for the occasion. You want to have a baby going home outfit. I'm still trying to decide which outfit that will be in our case, but we got some really cute onesies, so we'll see. You also want to have a baby's arrival outfit. So arrival and departure. Baby socks. Don't forget your toiletries. So body wash, toothpaste, lotion, deodorant. In my case, I also have really bad vision, so contact solution for my contacts. My extra set of glasses and mouthwash are important. I actually found a set also on Amazon. It comes with this bag, and then it's a Nivea set, and I love their products. So they have a Nivea hand cream. It also came with a nourishing body wash by Nivea, and this is more than enough for 2 to 3 nights at the hospital. And then also lotion. So John and I can actually share these. I think it has a lip, oh, it does. It has a lip balm as well. So I loved that this set was already kind of ready for us. So all we have to do is add our deodorant, contact solution, and then, toothpaste and toothbrush. So don't forget those items. You'll need long chargers because sometimes you're sleeping where the bed is usually set up. You have to reach over and move cords around. So having a longer charger really helps. Nipple cream as well. I have some nipple cream over here. I have Earth Mama nipple cream because if you are planning to nurse, the nipple butter really is helpful. It hurts early on. Sorry. have some burping going on here. And then you'll need herbal postpartum. You're gonna need herbal postpartum cooling spray. So this one is by Lancinol, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Not sure. But this is really good stuff because things do get a little uncomfortable down there after pushing out a baby. Nursing bras. I got a 3-pack off Amazon as well. So don't forget nursing bras. The hospital will also have non-slip socks, but I did purchase my own as well because I thought I wanted something a little bit cuter this time around, but definitely not needed. We are also going to bring an announcement board to announce baby. So putting his name on the board, I'll probably do that in advance. So then when we go to the hospital, if you already know your baby's name, you can put it on there in advance and then just add the size. So you want to bring the nursing board, and you also want to bring the little pieces so that you can put the weight and time and all that on there. And then a few final things. Don't forget your camera and tripod for photos if you're doing it yourself. Baby's socks, I think I mentioned that earlier. You also need to have a car seat. So you want to make sure the car seat is set up on the day that you're going home. So it doesn't have to be something that is already ready to go. It does make it easier if you get that in advance and it's set up. To have some sort of easy easy slip-on shoes. So like that can be flip-flops. Obviously you have your house shoes, your slippers. You can't go home in these. I mean, you could, but I wouldn't recommend it. So bring like sandals or some sort of easy access slip-on shoes that you can wear as you're going home. Remember, oh, if you want to, you can get your nursing team and doctor team gifts and bring those in advance as well. So you already have those ready to go. That was something I missed last time. And it is really nice when you have so many turnover of nurses and things to have like a little tiny gift, something that says thank you. It's just a sweet extra gesture. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope you'll connect with me over on Instagram. I will put my Instagram name in here somewhere around here. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like that video where I share updates on life, and I will be continuing to share additional updates. So thank you again for tuning in, and I wish you the best, mama, as you have your baby and you give birth, and I'm wishing myself the best too, that everything works out. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more videos like this one. Bye. Can you see my bump?
No.
I'm so stupid.
You're not stupid.
Hi guys, this is just the take 1 of 2. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I tried to record this before and it was a nightmare. So I'm back. Sorry. Pregnancy sleepiness. Okay, let's press pause on that and let's see what we got. Give me one of these when we hit 5 minutes, okay? Oh wait, are these moving too much? Oh gosh. That was pretty seamless. Am I in the right spot?
Dead center.
Okay, so we're gonna do it. Are you gonna stay and watch? Okay, let's do this. Okay.